Question number 31 to 35. Question number 31 to 35. So convert the bar graph to the table. So 2016, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Data related to the number of caps sold by two stores R and S. So what is 2016 R value? 2016 R value 340. 2017 150. 2018 290. Next value 140. Next 250. And S values. What is S? First 270. 200. Next 310. 310. 300. 330. So 330. Next. Question number 31. If the respective ratio of the total number of caps sold by R and S together in 2020, this is completely a year ki sambandhinchinanni 2016 to 2020 only. So 2020 and it in 2022 is 29:27. What is the total number of caps sold by R and S? What is R and S 2020 values? 250 plus 330. What is 250 plus 330? Ante kada? 580. What is that 580? 2020 value. How many parts? 29 parts value 580 means exactly double. 29 double 58. So 27 double 54, 540, 4000. Next 32. Question number 32. What is the difference between the total number of caps sold by R in 2017-18? What is R 2017 and 2018? 150, 290. Ante kada? 150, 290 together 440. And the number of caps sold by S in 2020 and 2019 together 19 and 20. It is 630. What is difference between 440 and 630? 190, second option. Your question is only difference. Next, question number 33. 33. What is the average number of caps sold by R in 2016, 17 and 19? What is 140, 340, 480? 480 plus 150, 630. Average means 630 by 2 or by 3? By 3. 630 by 3, 210. That is third option. 210. Next, question number 34. If the total number of caps sold by store R and S together 2021 is 75% of that in 2018. Then what was the total number of caps sold by store R and S together in 2020? 2021 total caps sold is 75% of 2018. What is 2018 together? 290 plus 310, 600. 600 lo 75% means 3/4. What is 3/4 of 600? 450, first option. 75% of 600. Next, question number 35. Number of caps sold by store S decreased by what percentage from 2016 to 2017? 2016 value 270 and 2017 value 200. How much decrease? 70 decrease. What is the denominator value? 270 or 200? 270. 270 and 2 zeros also there. 100 kabatti. 0 0 cancel. It is 700 by 27. No common factor in numerator and denominator. 700 by 27. 700 by 27. 27 2s are 54. 27 3s are 81. So your answer must be 20 plus. 20 plus and 30 less. Between 20 and 30. How many options? Only one. So this is your answer. 25, 25 by 27. Okay, na? Next, question number 36. 4 years hence, the respective ratio between Abhi age at that time and Pranay age at that time will be 1:2. 4 years hence, the ratio between Abhi and Pranay is 1:2. 4 years hence. After 4 years, the ratio is 1:2. Next, Abhi age 6 years ago was 11 years less than Pranay age 7 years ago. Then what is the Pranay's present age? So this is Abhi how many years ago? 6 years ago. Pranay how many years ago? Abhi 6 years ago was 11 years less compared to Pranay 7 years ago. Pranay 7 years ago age is compared to Abhi 6 years ago age. What is difference between these two persons? 11 years. Ante kada akkada kanipichindi. So Pranay how many years back? 7 years back. Minus Abhi how many years back? 6 years back. Both are in the past tense. But first Pranay gurinchi cheppinappudu 7 years back information. But Abhi 6 years back information only. The difference is equal to how many years? 11 years. So finally Pranay minus Abhi is equal to 12 years. Pranay minus Abhi is equal to 12 years. Pranay is elder compared to by Abhi by 12 years. Next, what is the ratio here? 1:2. Abhi minus Pranay. Abhi 6 years ago, 11 years less than Pranay's age, Abhi age at that time. Okay, done. 1:2. Pranay is, Abhi is to Pranay is equal to 1:2. Pranay how many parts? 2 parts. Abhi how many parts? Difference between there is equal to 1 part, that 1 part is equal to 12, then Pranay is equal to 24. Pranay 24. This is the age after 4 years. After 4 years, Pranay 24 means what is Pranay present age? 20. Second option. ఇది త్రూ ఆప్షన్స్ కష్టం నాన్న, ఎందుకంటే రేషియో పెద్ద కంఫర్టబుల్ రేషియో కాదు. Next question number 37. Jar P has 80 liters of mixture of milk and water if the respective ratio of 3:1. Jar P total quantity 80 liters. In that 80 milk and water are in the ratio. Then how many liters of milk and how many liters of water? 60 liters milk and 20 liters water. Jar P contains 60 milk, 20 water. Next. Jar Q, which had 18 liters of mixture of milk and water, was emptied into jar P. This is jar P information. Jar Q, volume of the jar Q, 18. But I don't know what is milk and what is volume. Individual values telidu and we don't know the ratio also. Okay, next. Was emptied into jar P. Complete 18 liters of jar Q is emptied into jar P. Next. And as a result in jar P, the respective ratio of milk and water becomes 5:2. Milk and water becomes, what is initial quantity? Initial quantity of the mixture, 80. How many liters of Q is added? Total quantity of the mixture, 98. In that 98, milk and water are in the ratio 5:2. 98 is distributed in the 5:2 means 7 parts. 7 parts value 98 means 1 part is equal to 14. Then how many liters of milk at present? 70. 5 14s and 2 14s are 28. So this is P, only P. This is mixture. Then Q lo unna milk enna avuti? 10 liters. And Q water is equal to how many liters? 8 liters. What is 10 plus 8? What is 60 plus 20? 80 plus 18? 98. 70 plus 28? Saripayindi kada. So what is this 10? Milk in jar Q. Idi P, idi Q information anamata. Milk in jar Q is 10 liters. Water in jar Q is equal to 8 liters. What is the question? Water only. So third option is the answer. Initially there are 80 liters of the mixture and we are adding 18 liters of the mixture. 80 plus 18 together 98. Milk and water are in the ratio 5:2. Completed? Next question number 38. A boat takes a total time of 7 hours to travel 72 km upstream and the same distance downstream. The speed of the boat in still water is 7 times the speed of the current. Then what is the speed of boat in still water? What is the second statement? The speed of boat in still water is 7 times the speed of the current. Then what is M:S ratio? 7:1. M:S is equal to 7:1. M. What is the question? Speed of boat in still water means find the M value. M how many parts? How many options are 7 multiples? All options. 28, 14, 21, 7, 10.5. All options are only 7 multiples. Okay. Next, total distance 72 kilometer upstream and 72 kilometer downstream. Total time together is equal to 7 hours. What is time formula? Distance by speed. Suppose A నుండి B కి వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు upstream అనుకుంటున్నా. Upstream. What is upstream speed? 6 parts. అంతే కదా, 7 minus 1, 6 parts upstream. Downstream 8 parts. So 6 exactly 12 times and 8 exactly 9 times. 12 plus 9, 7 exactly 3 times. We conclude that 1 part is equal to 3. Your question is, what is 7 parts value? 21. That is third option. Okay, now next question number 39. X, Y and Z have a certain amount of money with themselves. Y has 25% more than what X has. Y 25% more compared to X. Y depends on X. Next, Z has 4/5 of what Y has. First statement, Y depends on X. Second statement, Z depends on Y. Y depends on X, Z depends on Y. Z ever మీద depend అయింది? Y ever మీద depend అయింది? Then who is origin? X is the origin. X is equal to 100. X value is 100. Complete data in percentages mostly. So X value 100. Then what is Y value? 25% more means 125. And Z is equal to 4/5 of 125. This is 100 again. Okay, 25 table 4 times, 25 table 5 times and 25 table 4 times. So finally we conclude that X, Y, Z are in the ratio 4:5:4. అర్థమవుతుందా? First statement, there are 3 numbers X, Y, Z. Second statement, Y 25% more compared to X. Third statement, Z is 4/5 of Y. Z depends on Y and Y depends on X. Z తెలియాలంటే ఎవరు తెలియాలి? Y. Y కావాలంటే then who is origin? X is the origin. Complete data mostly in percentage. We assume X 100, Y 125, Z 100, ratio 4/5:4. Next, if X, Y, Z together have how much? 260. 260 is the amount of all the 3 persons. How many parts? 13 parts. And the question is X alone, it is 4 parts. 13 exactly 20, 20 into 4 is equal to 80, fifth option. Okay, now next question number 40. In a class, the average weight of 40 boys is 60 kgs on an average, and that of 60 girls is 75 kgs. How many boys initially? 40 boys. And how many girls initially? 60 girls. 40 boys average 60 and 60 girls average 75. That is given information. Next, after a few days, 50% of girls and 25% of boys left. How much percentage of girls left? How much percentage of boys left? 25. Next, then what will be the new average weight of the class? So assume that the average weight of the boys and girls remains constant throughout. So what is initial number of boys? How many boys are left? 25% means 10 boys left. Then what is remaining boys? 30. Boys are 30. Number of boys are 30. What is the 30 boys average? 60. There is no change in the average. So 30 into 60 is the present sum of the boys. అర్థమవుతుందా? What is 30? Number of boys. 60 is the average of boys. What is initial number of girls? How many girls were left? That means 30 left. What is remaining? 30. First bracket 30 rasam kada. E 30. What is this 30? Number of boys. What is next 30? Then total strength is equal to 60. And what is average of the girls? 75. 0, 0 and 0. Cancel చేసేయచ్చు కదా. What is 3 into 60? 180. 75 into 3, 225. 75 into 3, 225. 180 plus 225. Is it even number or odd number? 180 plus 225. Is it odd number or even number? Odd number, what is denominator? Even number. So you get decimal, definitely you get a decimal. How many options are decimals? With the decimal, only one. So that is the answer, first option. Okay, na? Next question number 41. The sum of the series of 5 consecutive odd numbers is 225. 5 consecutive. If the numbers are consecutive, your average is equal to directly middle term or first plus last by 2. But this concept lo edi vaadtam? Middle term use chestam. What is 225 in the question? Sum or average of how many observations? Sum of 5 observations is 25, means average is equal to 40, 45 or 49? 45. So 45 before number? 44 or 43? 43. What is your first number? 41. Last number? 49. 47 and 49. Correct kada? Akkada kodile. The lowest number of this series. What is lowest number of this series? 41 is 5 less than the second highest number of another series of 5 consecutive even numbers. This is 5 consecutive odd number series and this is 5 consecutive even number series. So next, the lowest number of this series. What is lowest number of odd numbers? 41 is 5 less. Antena cheppam, 41 is 5 less than the second highest number of this. Second highest number ante idanamata. 41 plus 5 or 41 minus 5? Minus 5 అంటే 36 అయినా ఇప్పుడు రాయాలి ఇక్కడ. చూడు మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చదువు. The lowest number of the series is, that means 41 is 5 less compared to my number. 41 ne 5 తక్కువ ఉంది నా నంబర్ తో కంపేర్ చేస్తే. That compared to 41, my number is more. How much more? 6 more. Sorry, 5 more. So what is this number? 46. అర్థమైందా? Okay. What is next number? 48. Before 44. What is the question? What is the 50% of third lowest or third highest? Only 44. So it is half of 44, 22, fourth option. Okay, na? Next question number 42. At 80% of its usual speed, a train of length L meter crosses a platform 330 meter long in 25 seconds. At its usual speed, the train crosses a vertical pole in 8 seconds. Then what is the value of L? What is distance formula? Speed into time. In the first condition, how many measurable lengths are there? One train crosses one platform. One train crosses one platform means distance is length of the train plus length of the platform. We don't know the length of the train, so it is L only. What is length of the platform? 330 meters. This is covered. Distance is equal to speed into time. What is speed? My assumption S, but it is clearly how much percentage of its usual speed? 80% of S. 80% of S. Present speed of the train is 80% of S. And the time taken is equal to 25 seconds. Ardhamautunda? What is L plus 330? Length of the train plus platform. Length of the train L, 330 platform. Distance is equal to speed into time. Speed, not original speed. It is only 80% of speed. And next time is equal to 25 seconds. Next statement. At its usual speed. Usual speed means 100% of speed. And it takes... And its usual speed, the train crosses a vertical pole. One train crosses one pole. What is the distance? Only train length. Train length is equal to L. And the time taken is equal to 8 seconds. This is 25 seconds and it is 8 seconds. Complete data in seconds only. Equation 1 by equation 2. All zeros cancel. 8 and 8 cancel. And the next 5 table 2 times and 2 table 5 table 5 times SS cancel. It is 5L is equal to 2L plus 660. What is 5L minus 2L? 3L is equal to 660 means what is L value? 220. What is L? That is a question only. So 220 meters. Next question number 43. Question number 43. The sum of the dimensions of a room, that is length, breadth and height, is 40 meters. Is 40 meters. And the length, breadth, height are in the ratio 35:17:28. 35 plus 17 plus 28 altogether is how many parts? 35, 17, 28. 80. 80 parts value is equal to 40 meters. 80 parts value 40 meters means 1 part is equal to half meter. 1 part is equal to half. అర్థమవుతుందా? క్వశ్చన్ మళ్ళీ చదువు. The sum of the dimensions of a room. ప్రతి రూమ్కి ఏమేమి డైమెన్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి? లెంత్, బ్రెడ్త్, హైట్, అంతే కదా. సో సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ డైమెన్షన్స్ ఆఫ్ ద రూమ్ is equal to how much? 40 meters. And length, breadth and height are in the ratio 35, 17, 28. All together is how many parts? 80 parts value is equal to 40 meters, then 1 part is equal to half meter. 1 part is equal to half meter. If the room is to be painted at the rate of 10 rupees per meter square, then what would be the total cost incurred on painting only the 4 walls of the room? Only 4 walls మాత్రమే మనం పెయింట్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఓన్లీ 4 walls. దట్ మీన్స్ లేటరల్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ద క్యూబాయిడ్ అని అర్థం అనమాట. రూమ్ ఎప్పుడు ఏ షేప్లో ఉంటుంది? క్యూబాయిడ్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఏరియా ఆఫ్ దిస్ వాల్? వాట్ ఈస్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ దట్ వాల్? ఈ వాల్ ఏరియా, ఆ వాల్ ఏరియా, అవి నేను ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాల్సింది. అర్థమవుతుందా? వాట్ ఈస్ ద మెజర్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వాల్? దిస్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ లెంత్. దీన్ని ఏమంటావు? హైట్ కదా. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ ఏరియా? LH. LH. ఆ ఏరియా ఏమవ్వాలి అప్పుడు? LH, అంతే కదా. ఇది LH, అది కూడా LH. వాట్ ఈస్ టోటల్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ దీస్ 2 walls? 2LH. అర్థమవుతుందా? సో వాట్ ఈస్ మెజర్మెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వాల్? దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్, దీన్ని ఏమంటావు? బ్రెడ్తా, లెంతా, హైటా? అవి కూడా తెలియకపోతే మనం ఏం చేయలేం మరి. ఇంకా దీన్ని ఏమంటాం మరి? ఇది వాట్ ఈస్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ దిస్ వాల్? అది ఇంతకు ముందు 2LH, ఇప్పుడు వచ్చింది 2BH. So finally 2H is a common and the remainder is equal to L plus 2H into L plus B. This is lateral surface area of the cuboid. ఇది డైరెక్ట్ గా ఫార్ములా ఉంది. Cuboid lateral surface area formula 2H into L plus B. What is per meter cost price value? That is multiplied with 10. This is your answer directly. Okay. H, how many parts in your ratio? H, how many parts? 20. What is each part value? Half. So it is 40. L plus B, how many parts? L, B together how many parts? 52. 52. అంతే కదా. L plus B 52. 52 into half is equal to 26 into 10. Last digit 0. అందులో డౌట్ లేదు. 2 4s 8 6. Answer must be end with 80. How many options are there? End with 80. ఎన్ని ఆప్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయో చూడు. Only one. So that is the answer. Next question number 44. Each part value half. Question number 43 ki each part value half అని వచ్చింది. Next question number 44. A and B both start a small business with an investment of 5100. What is first person investment? 5100. And the second person investment is equal to 3400. At the end of the few months, the start of the business, A withdraw from the business. That means A time, my assumption it is T months. A left after T months. So it is 51 into T only. Next, if the annual profit was divided between A and B, that means B is from starting to ending, it is 12 months. B మధ్యలో లెఫ్ట్ అయిపోయిందని ఏం చెప్పలేదు కదా. సో annual time. Annual means 12 months time. So finally, their profits are in the ratio 1:1 means they are equal. అంతే కదా. is2 means equal. 17 exactly 2 times, 17 3 times, 3 exactly 4 times. 4 into 2, 8 months he is in the business. Question కరెక్ట్గా చదవాలి. క్వశ్చన్ కరెక్ట్గా చదువు. దెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ హౌ మెనీ మంత్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ద స్టార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద బిజినెస్ డిడ్ ఏ లీవ్ ద బిజినెస్? వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్? మళ్ళీ చెప్పు. హూ స్టార్ట్ ద బిజినెస్? A and B. A in the business how many months? Few months. అంటే ఇప్పుడు నేను 5 నోట్ చేస్తే ఎంత వచ్చింది టీ? 8 months అంతే కదా. ఫ్రమ్ స్టార్టింగ్ టు 8 months A in the business. అంతేనా ఉంది క్వశ్చన్లో? ఫ్రమ్ స్టార్టింగ్ టు 8 months A in the business. వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్? ఈజ్ ఇట్ 8 or 4? 8 4 రెండు ఆప్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్? క్వశ్చన్ మళ్ళీ చదువు, మనకు బాగా వచ్చు కదా, ఏం చేస్తాం మరి, చదువు. దెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ హౌ మెనీ మంత్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ద స్టార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద బిజినెస్ డిడ్ ఏ లీవ్ ద బిజినెస్? ఆఫ్టర్ హౌ మెనీ మంత్స్ తర్వాత లెఫ్ట్ అయిపోయిందని చెప్పాం, టీ మంత్స్ అన్నాం. ఆ టీ 8 అయినప్పుడు ఆన్సర్ కూడా 8 కదా, అంతేనా? ఇంకా కన్ఫ్యూషన్ ఉందా? ఉంటే ఏం చేయలేము ఇంకా. క్వశ్చన్ నంబర్ 45. Y is 7/6 times as efficient as X. That means what is X is to Y efficiencies ratio? 6:7. ఇక్కడ చాలా క్లియర్గానే ఉంది కదా. Y 7/6 times of X means X is to Y is equal to 6:7. This is efficiencies. Next, X can complete 5/6 of the given task in how many days? 5/6 work in 35 days. 5/6 work, not the complete work. Only 5/6 of the work is done in 35. Then complete work is done in 42 days. 30, ఇది అర్థమవుతుందా? Total work or assumption 6 units అనుకుంటాం. 5 units is done in how many days? Then 6 units definitely 42. Then total work is equal to, ఈ 42 ఎవరికి సంబంధించిన టైం? X. What is work formula? Efficiency into time. We know that time is equal to 42. This is the time of X or Y. Then total work is equal to 42 into 6. ఇది ఒకటి గుర్తుపెట్టుకో. వర్క్ is equal to efficiency into time. ఎవరి టైం తెలిస్తే వాళ్ళ ఎఫిషియన్సీని రాయాలి. 42 is the time of X. Then you should write efficiency of X. The complete work is equal to 42 into 6. అది వదిలేసి. What is next statement? What fraction of the same task would remain incomplete? Incomplete మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. If Y works on independently for how many days? 8 days. What is Y efficiency? 7. 8 days, 7 units efficiency means 8 into 7, only 56 units is done by Y. Okay, 7 exactly 6 times. 4 table 2 times and 4 table it is exactly 2/9. This is completed work or remaining work? He worked for how many days? He worked for 8 days means completed work data. ఇదంతా మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసిన 2/9. This is complete data. What is the question? Incomplete. Then my answer is 7/9, first option. కొంచెం క్లియర్గా చూసి పెట్టాలి. ఈ టైమ్ అండ్ వర్క్ కాన్సెప్ట్ కొంచెం ఒకసారి చూడండి. వర్క్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎఫిషియన్సీ ఇంటూ టైమ్, టైమ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు వర్క్ బై ఎఫిషియన్సీ, ఎఫిషియన్సీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు వర్క్ బై టైమ్. ఇవి చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్, వాటి మీదే వెళ్తుంది క్వశ్చన్ అంతా. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 46. x² + 7x + 12 ఈక్వల్ టు 0. పాజిటివ్ రూట్స్ ఆర్ నెగటివ్ రూట్స్? బోత్ ఆర్ నెగటివ్. -4 -3. అగైన్ బోత్ ఆర్ నెగటివ్, దట్ ఈస్ -5 and -6. డెఫినెట్లీ గ్రేటర్. x greater than y. Next, question number 47. x² - 9x + 20 equal to 0. Both are positive roots. Those are 4 and 5. And the second equation, 2 32s are 64 and sum is equal to 16. It is 8/2. Ikkada what is y² quotient? Then you should divide it with 2. 4 and 4 can equal and 5 is greater than 4. So x greater than or equal to y. X greater than or equal to y. Next, question number 48. Positive roots or negative roots? X value is positive, y also positive. What is x² quotient? y² quotient? Not same. Rendu same kaadu kabatti x is multiplied with 6 and y is multiplied with 4. Your question is only find the relation, not x, not y. Idi kaadu, only relation. What is 4 15s? So 10 are 60 and 16. 6, 3 into 2 into 11 into 5. 11 2s are 22. 3 5s are 15 plus 22 equal to 37. Saripothundi. 10 6 are 15 4s are also 60 equal. 22 into 4 less and less. So answer x less than or equal to y. X less than or equal to y. పాజిటివ్ రూట్స్ వస్తే నీ కంపారిజన్ కూడా ఈజీనే, బట్ నెగిటివ్ రూట్స్ వస్తే మాత్రం కొంచెం వెరిఫై చేసుకోండి. బోత్ ఆర్ నెగిటివ్, అప్పుడు వెరిఫై చేయాలి కొంచెం క్లియర్గా. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 49. ఇట్ ఈస్ 17 5s. 5 4s are 20. It is 20 and 17. Next it is 18. 6 3 multiply with 4 and 4. So it is 20 is less than 24, but 20 is greater than 12. So no relation, fourth option. Next question number 50. Both are negative roots. Negative ఉన్నప్పుడు కొంచెం కేర్ఫుల్గా చూడు. Product 32 8 4s and product 72 8 9s. Minus 8 and minus 8 are equal. Minus 8 is greater than minus 9. Minus 4 is greater than minus 8 and minus 9. So answer x greater than or equal to y. Next question number 51, approximations. It is 550. Sorry, 5 done. 550. 550 by 5. 550 by 5 110 minus 120 by 6 value 20. 110 minus 20 90, third option. 90, third option. Next, question number 52. 60% of 660 divided by 6. Percentage and 2 zeros. Cancel cheya. Percentage and 2 zeros. 6 into 66, numerator. Denominator. 6 cancel. Finally, what is this complete value? 66. Only 66. Right hand side. 5 square means 25. 66 minus 25, 41. Okay. Right hand side value chundana. What is 210 minus 200? What is 210 minus 200? 10. Right hand side value 10. Left hand side 455 by 91. Clearly it's 5 times. 5 times. Left hand side 5. Right hand side 10. ఇక్కడ ఉన్నది ఏంటిది ఇంటూ. సో 5 ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ 2 times. సో స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ వాల్యూ 2, దెన్ క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 4. కంప్లీటెడా? వాట్ ఈస్ 153 by 3? 51. వాట్ ఈస్ 34 into 3? 34 3s అన్నా 17 6 అన్నా ఒకటే కదా. 17 6లు వచ్చా రావా మనకి? అది రాకపోతే వేస్టే. 34 3s బెస్ట్. 34 3s ఎంత? 102. 51. రిమైనింగ్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో 51. సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 55. వాట్ ఈస్ 510 plus 600? 1110 అంతే కదా. 1110 ఈజ్ వాట్ పర్సంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ 1000? 1110 ఈజ్ వాట్ పర్సంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ 1000 అంతే కదా. ఎంత? 111%. 111%, that is option 5. Next 56 to 60 number series. Next question number 61. Question number 61. Percentage of Tedmill lunch box available in different stores in October. Total number of Tedmill lunch box available in all the stores together is equal to 1400. Complete data, that means complete pie chart in angular percentage. Percentage or angular? Percentage. Then what is the total percentage in the pie chart? 100% value is equal to 1% value. Question lo avasaramaithe use cheddam. 1% is equal to 40. Next, question number 61. In October, 5 by 14 of the available Tedmill of store N. Store N is how much percentage? 12%. What is 1% value? 40. Okay, next. And 3 by 11 of the available Tedmill of store O. O how much percent? What is 1% value? 40. So these are the total number of available N and available O. ఇవన్నీ అవైలబుల్ ఇప్పుడు మనం రాసింది. బట్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద క్వశ్చన్? రిమైన్ అన్సోల్డ్. ఇది నేను ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాల్సింది. రిమైన్ అన్సోల్డ్. 5/14 ఆఫ్ N sold or unsold? 5/14 available store N remained unsold or sold? Unsold. క్వశ్చన్లో నిన్ను కనుక్కోమంది ఏంటి? Sold. Were sold by the stores. Unsold information is given, then find the sold. 5/14 are unsold, then sold is equal to 9/40. 9 9 9/40. Next, O 3/11 were unsold, then sold is equal to 8/11. Then find out these values. 14 and 14 cancel, 12 nines are 108. And 11 exactly 2 times 14 into 16 is equal to 224. What is 224 plus 108? 332. That is option 1. 332. Five by 14 అని కనిపించింది కదా ఫస్ట్ ఫ్రాక్షన్. 5/14 is it unsold information or sold? Unsold given. Question is sold. So 1 minus 5/14. But percentages లేస్తే 100తో కంపారిజన్, ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ లేస్తే 1తో కంపారిజన్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 62. సెంట్రల్ యాంగిల్ మీన్స్ ఆల్వేస్ ఇట్ ఇస్ మల్టిప్లై విత్ 3.6. ఎవరి గురించి అడిగాం క్వశ్చన్? స్టోర్ ఎం. ఎం హౌ మచ్ పర్సెంటేజ్? 33 into 3.6. Answer must be end with 0.8. How many options are there? 0.8. Only one. So this is the answer. Next, question number 63. What is the difference between the average number of treadmill lunchbox of store K and M? Km. What is Km value? 14, 33. What is 14 and 33? 47. This is sum, not average. 47 is a sum. Next, average number of L and N together. What is L and N together? 19 plus 22. What is 19 plus 22? 31. This is also sum. 47 sum, 31 sum. Difference is equal to? Difference entundi? 16. 16 is the difference between their sums. But your question is average. Always your comparison with the two only, two observations. L and N, K and M, only two observations. So it is how much percentage? 8%. అర్థమైందా? ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తాం అంటే 47/2, 31/2 ఇది చేయాల్సిందే. 16/2 వస్తుంది అంటే 8 అనమాట. ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ 1% వాల్యూ? ఇప్పుడే కదా చెప్పాం 14. వాట్ ఈస్ 14 into 8? 1 1 1 2. థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్. 1 or 2 కూడా ఉంటే మీరు కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉంటుంది, అంతే కదా. 1 1 2 అంటే పెద్ద ప్రాబ్లం లేదు, ఎండ్ విత్ 2 ఒకటే ఉంది కాబట్టి. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 64. Question number 64. The respective ratio between the number of treadmill available of store K in November. It is completely October information. November, November and that available in the same store in October was 9:7. Then how many more treadmill were available in store K in November as compared to October? K how much percentage actually? K value, the respective ratio between the treadmill of store K, how much percentage? 14% value. K value is how much percent? 40. Then it is how much percent? 80. What is 1% value? 1% value. 14 అని మనం ఇంతకు ముందు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాం. వాట్ ఈస్ క్వశ్చన్? హౌ మెనీ మోర్ treadmill compared to October? November is how much more? This is the question. Compared to 14, 18 is how much more? 4 more. 4 more means it is 4% more. What is 1% value? 4 into 14 is equal to 56, fifth option. Next question number 65. In December, the total number of treadmill available in all the stores together was 295 more than the available in October. Then what was the percentage increase in the total number of treadmill available in all the stores together from October to December? Already we know that. What is October value? What is October total value? 1400. Compared to the October, December is how much more? 295. So that means clearly 295 is what percentage of 1400? This is the question directly. Ardhamainda? 295 more, December is 295 more compared to the October. October is already 1400. Ante kada? Compared to 1400, 295 is how much percentage more? Denominator 1400. 10% value? 20% value? Numerator value 295. So answer must be more than 20, but near to 20 and less than 30 also. Between 20 30, how many options? Only one. So that is the answer, third option.